Hello guys, it's me again, Mark Paragas, and welcome back to our kind of mini vlog or mini mo. Special vlog na lang guys kasi gusto kong i-highlight na may nagpadala sa atin ng package all the way from Iloilo. Tapos habang nasa Boracay kasi tayo guys, nag-message siya sa akin na may gift daw siya for me and to my baby Sean. Come here baby, show your face to the camera.
Hello.
What are you gonna say to them?
Happy Father's Day!
And how about for the box, for the package?
Thank you for the gift.
Yan. Medyo mabigat. So, sobrang thank you dun sa nagpadala. And of course, sabi mo naman, wag ko na sabihin yung pangalan mo at yung number na nandito sa box. And sobrang appreciate ko. Ganun kasi guys, pag may nagpapadala, palagi sa LBC, syempre, ayokong ibigay yung pinaka-address ko. So, ang pinaka-drop off is LBC SM North. Ayan. So, sa mga susunod pa, alam nyo na, basta let me know. At saka may mga nagpadala na rin before na hindi ko nakuhaan. So, ulitin na lang natin. Right, baby? Are you happy?
Yes.
And ito, gusto ko kasi si Sean kasi kapag binibigyan ko ng mga gamit yan, alam nyo, parang ano siya sa akin, mana siya sa akin na kahit maliit or malaki, sobrang appreciative niyan. Like, talaga makikita yung reaction niya. Super excited na siya actually kanina pa. Gusto niya nang umuwi right after namin kumain. So anyway, ayan. I'll put the camera here para kitang-kita. Sit down na. We're gonna show it to you guys one by one. All the way from Iloilo. So expect ko na talaga na may pagkain. Pero yung iba hindi.
Let's turn it out.
Okay. Close your eyes. Just close your eyes, okay? Do not look. Oh. Okay, let's start with butterscotch squares with mango bits. You can bring it to your school, baby. Oh. Come here. You show. Here. No, here. There. Oh, you put it there on your side. What are you gonna say?
Thank you.
Okay, next is assorted butterscotch squares, guys. Oh, wow. Say, thank you so much. Okay, next is wow. This is my favorite, the special biscocho. Is this your favorite, right? Yes, thank you so much. Oh, not only one but two. Wala, thank you so much.
You made that.
Yes. From Iloilo, baby.
Yeah.
That's their delicacies.
Can you check
Specialty.
more? Can you check more?
Yeah, wait. I'm so excited, Oh, next is coffee scotch. This, yay!
Yo!
Yeah, baka tomorrow.
Yeah. Sakto, thank you kasi ano
What
niya na.
are these two?
Wait! Don't be too excited. Okay. Oh. So, those are the foods. And then this one is, ito na ata yung pinaka-gift niya. Wait. Wait. Ito muna naka-plastic. Wait. I don't know. Oh.
What is that?
Tablea, this is chocolate. You can do hot chocolate.
Yo!
Oh, thank you so much,
Thank you so
Tablea.
much.
Hot chocolate.
Oh, your favorite. Nail cutter na all the way from Iloilo. Ako kasi palaging nagugupit ako ko nito. Thank you so much. Alright. Me first, okay? Before you.
Okay.
This is for Papa. Wow. Thank you so much.
What's inside?
Iloilo. Wait.
What is inside?
There's something inside.
What is it?
Kasi ang hirap pag-English. T-shirt. Yay.
Wow.
Yes,
It says Philippines.
Keep
It's
going
Philippines.
places. Philippines. Thank you so much.
Ah!
Iloilo. Ayan.
I like the hot chocolate.
Tablea. Yeah, we're gonna make it that tomorrow. Your
Hot chocolate.
Uy, ang dami. Grabe
Did I
naman.
spotted the worm?
Later na yung sa'yo, baby, ah. Ano sa'yo? Last but not the least.
Me.
Another t-shirt.
For you.
Thank you so much, Iloilo Pride. Ganda. Maganda to. Oh, thank you so much. Next.
The video not done.
Oh, another t-shirt. Uy, ang dami ko ng bago. Ay, mga susuotin ko to pag pag aalis ako. Para lang mong
T-shirt.
Thank you so much. And another one, alam niyo ba, gusto ko yung, pagpupunta na ako ng Boracay, gusto ko yung mga ganito. Yung loot bag. Thank you so much, magagamit ko siya. Ayan. Alright. Now, last but not the least, for Sean
looking
Sean.
at the pillow.
Huh?
I'm looking at the pillow.
Oh, you're not looking at the gift yet? Alright, we have a note here.
For baby Sean.
What are you gonna say?
Thank you.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much, Ma. Yeah.
That's for if you're gonna wash your face, you can put it here. Let's put it there. Let's put it there. Okay. Come on,
That's my favorite.
Alright, that's your favorite agad. See, I told you. Yeah, let's put it there. Next. Oh my God, there's a lot. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Look.
Hair tie.
Show it to the camera.
It's a hair tie.
Oh, not just one. There's another one. Show it to the camera, baby. Guys, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And, oh, there's also a clipper.
Clipper. What is that?
For the hair. Hair clip.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh. And this bag is yours too.
Yay.
Thank you. And last. Oh. This is your favorite. And we can play with this. Remember the poison game?
Yes.
Close your eyes. Look. Open. Kisses. Chocolate. And then, oh, there's another one. Oh, say thank you. Thank you so much. Ayan. Ang dami. This is her bag video. Every time we're going to the mall. See? See? Thank you so much. Ayan. You know who you are. Ayan. Again.
Thank you for all of this.
Ayan.
I really like.
We love you. Happy Father's Day. And see you soon. Basta pag nakita tayo. If ever nandito ka sa Manila, let me know. Thank you so much again. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo para at least na makita ng mga nagpapadala kung paano namin na-appreciate yung mga padala ninyo. Ayan na siya. Excited na siya. Let me see. Okay, show it to nanay. Go. Ayan. And ito pala, bago tayo magpaalam, meron palang letter. Ayan. Kala ko kala ko nakalagay lang yung name namin para sa package. Pero ito, basahin ko lang. Pare-pareho natin basahin, hindi ko pa na mabasa. So sabi niya dito, "Hi Mark, just a simple gift." Actually, hindi siya simple. Parang pili ko birthday ko. Pero sobrang na-appreciate namin. Lalo na nakita nyo naman yung reaction ni Sean. Ganun talaga siya. Maliit o malaki yan. Basta natuwa yan. Ganun siya ka OA, kumbaga. So sabi niya dito, "In appreciation of your hard work and kindness." Sabi niya, "Wag pansinin ng mga bashers." Wala na pa akong bashers. Don't worry. Magaling ka, magaganda mga vlogs mo, marami kang napapasaya, meron kang kakaibang karisma. Lalo na pag sumasayaw. Mga siguro mga taga Iloilo kasi si Mudra kasi is from Iloilo. "Stay humble and stay true to yourself. Ingat lagi sa mga biyahe mo. Take care of your health. God bless you and your family. Happy Father's Day." Thank you so much. Ayan. And Happy Father's Day din po. Basta, I'll see you kapag napunta ako talaga dyan sa Iloilo. Or malay mo biglang pwede kang pumunta ng Boracay, di ba? Pwede tayo magkasabay. So yun lang. Thank you so much again. Hindi ako magsasabi ng thank you syempre. Na-appreciate namin. Love you. And ingat ka palagi dyan, ha? See you soon. Ayan. Ito muna yung video natin for tonight, okay? Kasi nagpahinga tayo guys ng bongga sa Boracay. Alam niyo naman yan, kung naka-add kayo sa Facebook at saka friends ko kayo sa Facebook, alam niyo yan, real time yung ina-upload natin. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, please add me sa Facebook para at least alam niyo kung yung mga real time ganap natin. Para naman just in case nandun din kayo, pwede tayo magkita. Which is, I've met a lot of my friends, followers. Thank you so much. And for now, again, ito muna yung video natin. Appreciate appreciation video dun sa nagpadala ng package natin, and thank you so much. So tomorrow guys, don't worry, we will start our vlog series, and sabi ko nga sa inyo, daily yan, every 7 p.m. Manila time. So huwag natin patagalin pa, I will welcome you to Bangkok, Thailand. Ngayon pa lang sabihin ko na sa inyo Bangkok is parang feels like my second home. Sobrang daming gawin na hindi ko pa nagagawa, at may mga ipapakita ko sa inyo guys na bago. Okay? So I'm so excited actually na i-upload yon, pero bukas na ang start, Tuesday. So again, ito muna. And again guys you can follow me on my other social media account, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, para updated kayo sa mga ganap natin. Pero if ever naman may makita kayo na pinupuntahan natin, huwag nyo muna hanapin kung kailan yung vlogs. Huwag nyo muna kayo magtanong kung kailan yung vlog. Just enjoy kung ano yung mga kalokohan ko sa pinupost, and then just wait. Medyo behind tayo dahil hindi ko naman kayang mag-vlog, edit at the same time kasi may corporate work din ako. So ayun, basta at least once na mag-start na yung vlog series natin, katulad tomorrow na Bangkok, Thailand, may mga ipapakita ko sa inyo guys, at saka may mga changes din. Kaya don't worry, okay? And again, sa mga nakakasalubong natin along our journey, along the way, kahit saang lugar pa yan, lalo na sa Boracay, thank you so much. And alam niyo yan, sabi ko nga sa inyo, diba, i-approach nyo ako kahit sobrang busy ako nagvo-vlog, just in case hindi ko kayo marinig, kalabitin nyo ako, okay na okay sa akin, kasi syempre na-appreciate ko rin yung support niyo sa channel natin at saka sa panonood ng mga videos. And syempre, thank you so much. Kahapon is Father's Day, nag-post naman ako ng Father's Day video kahapon sa Facebook. So sa mga nasa YouTube dyan, and lalo na sa ibang bansa na hindi tayo magkatulad ng time zone, so happy Father's Day po sa inyo lahat, saan man kayo lupalop ng mundo. I love you so much, and ingat kayo palagi. Sa mga single parent dyan, like mga haligi ng tahanan na nagiging ilaw na rin ng tahanan, I love you so much. Kaya nyo yan, and I'm so proud of you na hanggang ngayon nakatayo pa rin tayo at lumalaban. Para kanino kayo gumigising? Para mag-travel. Charot lang. Thank you so much again. Pahabol lang to. So again every 7 p.m. yan, daily hanggang matapos yung Bangkok vlogs natin, followed by Boracay. So alam nyo na yan, sa Boracay guys, don't expect na marami tayong nagawa kasi biglaan lang din po, and hindi nyo pa napapanood yung Boracay natin, pero ngayon pa lang sasabihin ko na thank you so much po sa nag-sponsor ng ticket natin para lang makita ko. And hanggang dun po na hanggang dun muna po, baka hindi po muna ako bumalik ng Boracay kasi sunod yung magiging travel natin. And ang balik namin sa Boracay with my family is sa November 24 to December 1. So if you want to see me guys, and nagbabalak din kayo pumunta ng Boracay, kung gusto nyo kaming sabayan, like yung days na nandun kami, sa mga gusto kong makita, ayun, hanggang dun po muna. Thank you so much po sa mga mga invitation, and sorry po sa mga nade-decline ko. Hindi ko na po nakakaya ng katawan ko. So parang kung gusto ko lang hatiin to para yung isa nasa Boracay, yung isa nasa ibang lugar. Basta thank you, na-appreciate ko yung mga ganung kahit paano, alam kong sobrang love nyo ako, and thank you so much. Okay, so please like this video guys and share, and sa mga alam nyo pupunta ng Bangkok, Thailand, sabihan nyo na sila na tomorrow may Bangkok tayo, kung ano ba yung mga bago, kung ano yung mga pinagagawa natin, and I'm sure may enjoy nyo guys, kasi alam nyo naman, I'm just spreading happiness, diba? Aside from walkthrough, guide, given na yun as a vlogger, as a content creator, pero napaka-entertaining na magiging vlog natin. So yun, expect nyo. And subscribe to my channel sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, Mark Paragas Official. Hit the notification bell para updated kayo every 7 p.m. Manonotify talaga kayo na may upload na ako. And also, please follow me on my other social media account, kasi guys, doon na rin po ako nagbibigay ng shoutouts. Kung nagpapa-shoutouts kayo, expect nyo sa Facebook ko siya ipopost. May times lang na madidelay ng isang week kasi nasa Boracay tayo or nasa ibang lugar tayo, gumagawa ko ng mga reels, and yun, sorry kung madidelay man tayo, pero at least add nyo ko or follow nyo ko sa Facebook and IG. And syempre, enjoy life, live life to the fullest, enjoy every moment, and you will never get to this stage again guys. Please do what makes you happy, and follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. See you tomorrow guys. Good night everyone.